Join me as I take on the challenge of finding a way to get free RDP without spending a dime. Let's see if I can actually pull it off. Today we're going to explore the world of Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP for short. Essentially, RDP is a protocol that allows users to remotely access and control another computer over a network connection. This is super useful for a variety of reasons, such as when you need to access a computer that's not physically nearby, or when you want to ensure that your data remains secure by keeping it on a server rather than on your local machine. Moving on, one of the biggest issues people face when looking for affordable RDP solutions is the high cost. Many providers offer RDP services, but they often come with hefty price tags, which can be a major obstacle for individuals or small businesses with limited budgets. Another common problem is limited access, where some providers restrict the amount of time you can use their RDP services or limit the number of connections you can make. Additionally, it's not uncommon to come across providers that offer low-quality RDP connections, which can be frustratingly slow or plagued with lag. And let's not forget about the security risks involved with using public RDP services, which can put your sensitive data at risk of being compromised. All of these issues can make finding a reliable and affordable RDP solution a real challenge. Despite these challenges, many people are in dire need of RDP services, which is why it's essential to find a way to get around these limitations and costs. That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and set up free RDP services that are not only reliable, but also secure. We'll explore some of the best tools and websites that offer RDP services without breaking the bank. So if you're ready to learn how to get free RDP without paying a dime, then keep watching. First, you'll need to head over to a website called Remote Desktop Free. This website offers a range of free RDP services, including Windows and Linux-based options. All you need to do is sign up for a free account, and you'll get access to a remote desktop that you can use for free. Another option is to use a virtual private server, or VPS, which allows you to set up your own RDP server without having to pay for a dedicated RDP service. Next, you'll need to download and install a free RDP client on your computer. There are several options available, including Microsoft Remote Desktop and Remina. Once you've installed the client, you can use it to connect to your free RDP server and start using it right away. Another great option is to use a cloud-based RDP service like Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud Platform. These services offer free tiers that allow you to set up and use RDP servers without having to pay for them. Of course, there are some limitations to these free tiers, but they're a great option if you only need to use RDP occasionally. In my opinion, the most effective method or platform that offers the best free RDP experience is Remote Desktop Free. The reason is simple. It's easy to use, reliable, and secure. With Remote Desktop Free, you get access to a range of free RDP services that you can use for as long as you want without having to worry about hidden costs or limitations. One of the great things about Remote Desktop Free is that it offers a range of customization options, which allows you to tailor your RDP experience to your specific needs. For example, you can choose the operating system you want to use, as well as the amount of RAM and storage you need. This makes it easy to find an RDP service that meets your specific requirements. Another reason I recommend Remote Desktop Free is that it's highly secure. The website uses robust security measures to protect your data, including encryption and secure login protocols. This means you can use the service with confidence, knowing that your data is safe. In addition, Remote Desktop Free is highly reliable, with uptime rates of over 99%. This means you can count on the service to be available when you need it, without having to worry about downtime or connectivity issues. In summary, to get free RDP without paying, you'll need to sign up for a free account on Remote Desktop Free download and install a free RDP client and set up your own RDP server. From there, you can start using your free RDP service right away. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that it's essential to be cautious when using free RDP services. Make sure you read the terms of service carefully and understand any limitations or restrictions that may apply. Additionally, Always use strong passwords and keep your RDP server up to date to minimize the risk of security breaches. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you have any experiences with free RDP services, be sure to leave a comment below and let us know how it went. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips, and check out our other videos on how to get the most out of your tech.